Hello everyone. Today we will learn and write essay on my hobby. So let's start. A hobby, is a thing we do regularly for pleasure in our spare time. There are several hobbies for students as photography, gardening, stamp collecting, and coin collecting. I have taken up gardening because it is very useful and cheap hobby. Moreover, I do not find it difficult. I just dig holes in the ground. I put flower plants in the holes and water the plants. They give me flowers of all colors. I do my gardening 1 hour in the morning and 1 hour in the evening, as it is very cheap hobby. I have to spend only a few rupees on seeds. These seeds give me not only flowers but also seeds for the next season. I get great pleasure from this hobby. In the morning, it gives me a good exercise which keeps me fit and active all the day. Thanks for watching.